Want to know how to create an Instagram story like this that promotes your YouTube live stream? Hi, I'm Auret from essetinomedia, helping you create profitable content. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a story step by step on your mobile that promotes your live stream. All you need is the Instagram app and the link to your YouTube live stream. If you haven't set up your live stream yet, you might not have the link ready to go. You can just use your YouTube channel link, which is what I'm gonna do as well. Because as soon as someone goes to your channel, that's one of the first things that they'll see if you are already live. So let's head over to the phone and I'll show you how to do this. Okay, so I'm in our Instagram right now at essetinomedia. Give us a follow as well, we'll follow you back. What you wanna do is go to the top left corner with the plus sign to create a new story. So I'm gonna tap on the plus. And I'm gonna use one of these photos that has first come up right here. You can use a pretty cool photo. Basically, it's gonna be the background for your Instagram story. And you can scroll, you can swipe left or right to go through different filters and choose which one ever you like. So I'm gonna stick with this one. And then we're gonna add some text. So let's do that first. You'll hit the A at the top there to create a new text. And I'm gonna say something like, join us live. Let's do that in all caps. So live at 6 p.m. PST, because we have people from all over on our account. So you wanna specify the time zone from today's filming studio. Okay, so we'll leave it at that. If you wanna customize the font, you can, on the bottom there, just tap on different options and take a look. You can also, on the left-hand side, slide up or slide down to adjust the sizing of the text. And I want this to be aligned center. So at the top over there, I'm gonna just tap that a few times. There we go, we have aligned center. And if you wanna change the background color of the highlight, because each font has a different kind of style to it, but you can change the color if it's highlighted like you see here. I want to change it to white actually, so I'm going to tap on this color wheel at the top. So I've selected the white as a highlight there, and then I'm going to hit done. So you can tap on the text and kind of move it around in place wherever you want to put it. I'm going to tilt it, so I'm just using my fingers and just tilting it over to the side. And the next thing we want to do is add the calendar. So that's the countdown, and it will count down to your live stream. So let's tap on the sticker. Then you want to scroll up till you see this right here where it says countdown on the left-hand side. So I'm going to tap on that. So countdown name, it could just be like live from YouTube in ... and then you can have the countdown there. You just basically tap on each one and select it. So today's date is April 14th. It's not all day, so I'm going to turn that off and select the correct time. So just hit the slider like so, and then change it to PM. All right, then you're gonna hit done. And again, you can move that in place. I'm gonna put that right over here. Maybe let's move this up so you could see a little bit more of the couch. And the last thing we wanna do, which is super important, don't forget to put the link to your live stream. So again, it's gonna be in the stickers area. So let's tap on that, scroll up a little bit. You'll see where it says link in the center there. So we'll tap there. And this is where you put in your YouTube live stream link. So you have to go and copy that and then hold down. If you have it already copied to your clipboard within your phone, you just need to hold down and you'll see it says paste. Otherwise, just put in your channel URL, which is what I'm gonna do. So I've gone ahead and done that. And now you wanna see where it says customize sticker text? Tap that, and basically what that is it'll give you a chance to write some text for this link. So instead of showing the HTTP, you can actually replace it with some short text. So I'll put here, click here to watch the live stream. All right, so I'm gonna hit done, and there you go. You can see the link is right there. If you wanted to customize the way it looks, you have a few options. You can tap on it and it changes color like you see here. I'm gonna keep it blue. I think that stands out nicely. I'll probably put it in the center like this, and we'll put an arrow pointing to it. So let's head over to where the 3 dots in the top right corner, select the draw option and select the arrow option, which is the second one there. And here you can just select whatever color you like. I'm just going to go for this one. Tap and drag, pointing in the direction that you want it to go. Although that arrow kind of gets lost in the pink, so let's undo that. Maybe put it on the other side here. All right, I think that's better. If you wanted to change the thickness of the arrow, I'm just going to hit undo. Then you can again use the slider on the left-hand side. I'm going to slide it up so you can see. That kind of makes it a lot thicker, so I'm going to keep that. The other thing I want to do is just include some black coloring behind the link so it makes it pop and stand out a little bit more. So for that, I'm going to tap on the first marker option at the top, change to black, and just kind of scribble behind, like you see what I'm doing here. I'm just scribbling behind the URL, that call to action link. Maybe include some cool lights or shine around the link. So that 4th option at the top with the dots, I'm going to select that. Go back to this pinky kind of color here and just tap around it. So it's almost like neon lights around that call to action. Just makes it, you know, draws the eye to that area. You want them to see that call to action to click here to watch the live stream. So that's our story. I'm going to hit done. And then when you're ready to post it, all you need to do is hit the arrow on the right hand side and then select share. So there you go, you've shared it to your stories. I'm going to tap on that. You can see what it looks like in action. I'm going to also make sure the link works, so make sure you test that. Looks all good. All right, let's close out of that. If for whatever reason you made a mistake, you can always tap on those 3 dots on the bottom right, and then you can just hit delete and start all over again. So that is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please do hit the thumbs up button to let YouTube know this is helpful content, and check out our description below for some more resources on growing your YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.